Greetings and welcome to Old School Goldsmith. I'm your host Gaia, and today we're going to be talking about the Old School Goldsmith. My father had a jewelry store in Central California where he raised four children and made a wonderful, thriving business for us. In the back of that jewelry store, there was always some jewelers around to size rings and solder chains. That's where I began learning about jewelry, but I knew there was something different. I needed to go to Europe. After a long spell on a bicycle, I went to Baden, Switzerland, where I found where the old masters are. These masters taught me techniques that I had never seen before and tools that I've never seen before. Tools that were handmade that would go on for generations upon generations. They started with the raw materials, making their own gold, making their own tools in some instances. The old school goldsmith was one that went through the entire process. He had to have a trademark or responsibility, a mark of integrity to prove to the people that his gold is what it says it is. So with the carat stamp, this stamp was registered in Switzerland and it's on every piece of old school goldsmith jewelry. The goldsmith bench is an education in itself, filled with unfinished pieces that will once be creations, to share the bench with other people and sharing your ideas. Company of the finest goldsmiths is an opportunity of a lifetime. Make your jewelry comfortable to wear. The goldsmith's responsibility is to have an orderly bench, to have everything in line so you don't lose anything, because the things that you are dealing with are so very valuable and important to others and your livelihood. You can even open your own jewelry store if you'd like one day. This is one that I had before in Sedona, Arizona. And then this was another one that I had in Switzerland over the years. I've been 50 years now on the bench and enjoying every minute of it, and every day I'm learning something new. I hope you enjoyed the Old School Goldsmith.